Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the basics are current. Update Valorant and Vanguard, then restart your PC to clear transient issues. Once done, run the Riot client as administrator so permission errors won't block fixes. Make sure overlays and VPNs are closed because they interfere with the training map handshake. Also free a little RAM. Small memory pressure can break the map load. These first steps remove common blockers quickly, so you can move to targeted repairs without wasting time. You now run the Riot client repair tool to verify and replace corrupted files. This often restores the training map assets. Next, delete the user configuration files in the Valorant folder to force a clean, default config because bad settings can prevent map loading. Then reinstall Vanguard. Uninstall via control panel, reboot, and install freshly. Vanguard runs at boot and must be active. Make sure firewall or antivirus isn't blocking Vanguard installers, so the anti-cheat can function properly. You finish by testing the practice range after repairs. If it still fails, do a clean reinstall of Valorant and test immediately. Make sure GPU drivers and Windows updates are current, because driver mismatches can stop maps from rendering. Run the game as admin and validate Vanguard is active. If problems persist, collect Riot logs from the game folder and perform a clean boot to eliminate third-party interference. This single troubleshooting tip usually isolates the culprit quickly, so
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.